pozivam zamjenika direktora UNESCO-a, gospodina Qu Xinga, da preuzme povelju, a da nam se nakon toga i obrati.
Mr. Chairman of the Presidency of Bosnia and Herzegovina, Mr. Former President of Slovenia, Mr. President of the International Center of Peace and Multi-Ethnic Cooperation, Excellencies, Ministers, Ambassadors, on behalf of the UNESCO Director General, Madame Audrey Azoulay, I wish to thank you for awarding UNESCO this Mostar Peace Charter. When the old bridge was attacked in November 1993, the stones were not the only things that were shattered. It's a way of living together, the connection between different communities was also destroyed. At UNESCO, we believe that by restoring monuments, by rehabilitating heritage, we can pave way for recovery and peace. That's why we were very committed to reconstructing the old bridge in Mostar. And we can with national and international partners. This award recognizes the role played by UNESCO here in Mostar, in Bosnia and Herzegovina, and beyond, to protect and promote heritage as one of the foundations of the dialogue and mutual understanding. But where better than Mostar, the bridge keeper, to reaffirm our commitment to building more bridges of dialogue, of understanding, of peace in the coming years. Thank you again for the award, and thank you for your attention. Thank you.